Guys, so welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the color correction wheel in Filmora 12. So first thing you need to do is to be updated to the Filmora 12.4.1 version. So if you're using the older version, you need to update to the latest version. So to update to the latest version, go to this icon and click on it and click on check for updates. So what this will do is going to check for updates for Filmora to get you to the latest one. So currently I'm on the latest version, so I don't really need to update mine. So it's going to pop up this video, and if there's an update, it's going to show you here to install an update. So if you're done on updating your Filmora 12 to the latest version, click on the new project and you're going to be taken to the main editing section of Filmora. So the next step is to import a video file to your Filmora software, and I'm going to import this video and drag it down into the timeline. So to add or to do color correction, you need to double tap on your video track and go to the color section and go to color wheels. So this is the newly added feature on Filmora, the color wheels. So in the color wheels tab, we have the highlights, midtone, and dim shadows. To color correct using these features, you can either toggle on to take it to whatever color you want your video to look like, but I'm just going to leave it as the default. You can actually increase the highlights of the video if you want. You can also decide that you want to make the video green. You can do a lot with this to make your video look the exact way you want. So you can increase the highlights, but I'm going to make it a little bit darker. Then when it comes to the midtones, you can do the same stuff, but I'm still going to leave it just the way it is and just make it a bit darker. Then we can go to the shadows. We can actually increase the light or reduce it wherever way we want it. You can even tweak it a bit to wherever where you want it. You can actually reduce it so it doesn't look a bit much off. So you can increase it a bit. So when you look the difference between the before and the after, you can see definitely you have actually you have done the color correction using the color wheel. So pretty much guys, that's how you do color correction using the color wheel. You can see the before and after effects. So just to save your color correction, just click on OK and you can preview your edit. So guys, that's pretty much how you use the color wheel to do color correction in Filmora 12.4.1. So if you found this video really helpful, please just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more video editing tutorials. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next video. Peace.